Hello, it's Stephen on the Great North Walk from Yarramalong, somewhere in the jungle. Been walking for about an hour and I'm in a very isolated location. The forest has changed several times from just tall timbers to dry forest to thick rainforest. Above me, not so much here, but there was various tall cliffs where the creeks come down from these cliffs into this area that I'm walking. And just here we have a beautiful waterfall. I'm heading towards a place called Greta Road. A lot of gear, sorry, and I'm in a beautiful location at the moment.